Thank you for joining us to discuss our monthly conversation package associated with the Certified Business Scientist taking you through your financial statements. These conversations are all about appreciating your sources of money and your uses of money and how those two are interrelating relative to the results of a particular month. For those of you who have watched our video about our executive summaries, you learn that one of the packages we offer is an executive summary of your financial statements to help you see what's working and what isn't working in your business. This particular offering, which we refer to as our coaching package 2, is about helping you see your business. And what we are doing with this second package is working with those who benefit from a conversation. This conversation is particularly helpful for those who are struggling to make money, because the primary driver for why people don't make the money they should is a function of not knowing what they don't know. There's a lot of things going on across a business day in and day out, and pausing to take a look at your results with the help of an outside party looking at what your business is trying to tell you can really simplify things and help you zero in on your challenges. This particular product offering really does help people understand the information that's readily available to them and to help them appreciate the business issues that are holding them back from making more money. It really is a function of spending more than you should, and it's about those who are making this statement. I struggle to identify what needs to be done differently, and those that help with their financial statements, be it their accountant or their bookkeeper, aren't in a position to help you figure out what needs to be done. This particular coaching package is designed for people with this challenge. It's important to appreciate that your financial statements are readily available to you once you've recorded all of the transactions for a given month and have reconciled those transactions against your bank statements. Don't be ashamed if you're not appreciating what is in these statements, because it takes some training, it takes some education and some knowledge to be able to appreciate what's being said in these financial statements. The point is, both your balance sheet and your P&L statement are trying to tell you something. And what you're wanting to appreciate is that there are really simple formulas involved in both statements. The balance sheet is a function of assets equaling liabilities plus equity. So that liabilities and equity equal your assets, whereas your formula for your P&L statement is revenue minus all expenses equals profit. So within these financial statements, you have an interrelationship that when you understand how they work together, they can help you see your issues more clearly. And that's really what the solution is here. Appreciate that every large corporation, every CEO of a major corporation has a team of financial experts that will give them an executive summary of their report, with the most senior of their financial experts walking them through the financial results for a given month. These conversations help this CEO and their executive team appreciate what is and isn't working. In other words, where do they need to intervene to fix things, and what can they ignore? Because you can't intervene on every front. So some things are more important than other things. That's what these conversations help uncover. And it really is about looking at how the assets of the business are generating sales as well as contributing to the profits, with those profits flowing back onto the balance sheet in the form of retained earnings. So the deliverable associated with this coaching package is a monthly conversation of your financial statement results with a certified business scientist to confirm what went well that month and specific areas that you need to pay attention to, potentially even take action against. This deliverable will help minimize the risks that exist for your profit. So, for example, appreciating a business that spends $585,000 a month in both direct and indirect costs and has a conservative 3% waste against those expenses. In other words, because they're not appreciating what their business is trying to tell them, they're overspending by 3%. That has a cost, and that cost is best reflected back to you as the profits that are at risk for not taking action on available information. That's what this coaching package is all about. So if you're struggling to use your financial statements, then select this package to be able to better appreciate where your issues are so that you can recognize them and take action against them. It's by fixing these areas of waste that you not only protect your profits, you enable yourself to make more money off of your improved business operations. The requirement for taking advantage of this coaching package is your monthly P&L statement and balance sheet, and 1 hour of uninterrupted time for you to talk with your business scientist. Your business scientist will take you through your results, and that's a conversation that you just want to be in a position to be able to focus on the exchange between you and your business scientist. The goal is to help you make more money with less stress, and your financial statements can do just that. The cost associated with this particular coaching package has two components to it. One is those who have the business CPR platform, the management system that helps pull all your information together so you can better manage your business. That comes at a lower cost than those who don't. There's some functionality that the tool has for our business scientists to be able to more effectively engage in a conversation with you, but you don't need the package to be able to have these conversations. The other thing to appreciate is that for signing up for this particular level of service, you'll get the monthly executive summary for free. In other words, we'll send that to you in advance of your scheduled conversation so that you can get this executive summary, kind of prep yourself for the conversation that you will have with your business scientist. So that particular part of our coaching packages comes to you at no charge. The other thing to appreciate is it's easy to get started. Simply go to business-cpr.com/coach2 for the second coaching package. If you're not ready to sign up but would like to learn more, go to the same URL, type /R4, and that will take you to our article on how financial statements are used to manage the most profitable businesses. We'll help you understand what these highly profitable owners are doing with their financial statements. Again, we invite you to enroll and get our executive summary at no charge. If you find yourself recognizing the need for more direct help because you know certain things aren't getting done, then check out our Platinum Services videos to appreciate things that you can outsource to us that we can do for you to help you make more money. Again, sign up. This is actually my favorite coaching package because it really helps you ramp yourself up to utilizing your financial statements to appreciate where your issues are. Thanks for tuning in. Look forward to helping you make more money with less stress. Goodbye.